Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn about partial fraction. So we'll begin by looking at this question, which I'm sure you have seen earlier. Write as a single fraction in its simplest form. So what we do in this kind of question is we've got two fractions and we want to combine this two fraction into a single fraction, right? So let's try this, and you can also try it at your end. How do we combine these fractions? We've got to make the denominator same, and so we do x plus 5 multiplied with x minus 1 plus x multiplied with x plus 8. Everything has this denominator x times x minus 1. Okay, and then all we need to do is simplify the numerator. So we get x squared plus 4x minus 5 plus x squared plus 8x. Everything divided by x multiplied with x minus 1. And we finally write this as x squared plus x squared is 2x squared. 4x plus 8x is 12x minus 5, and divide by x multiplied with x minus 1. So what we have done in this question is we had two fractions which we combine into one single fraction. Okay. Now, the idea of partial fraction is exactly the opposite. In case of partial fraction, we start with a single fraction, something like this. We start with a single fraction, and we decompose it into two or more than two fractions, which are called partial fractions. Okay, so which means that in partial fraction, we take a single fraction and we decompose into two or more than two fractions. Now, let us see how we exactly do this. So there are different cases in partial fraction. Let's take a look at each case now.